Hello, the Philippines Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, seeks to establish a joint regulatory framework around digital assets and to crack down on bad actors who engage in illicit crypto transactions. It has partnered with the United States SEC and the Asian Development Bank to host an International Organization of Securities Commission, IOOSCO, workshop and an investigation enforcement training workshop. The workshop aims to sharpen the skills of the organization in furtherance of its mandate to protect the public from all forms of financial fraud, including those that leverage digital assets. The Philippines SEC cited market manipulations, off-market fraud, insider trading, and crypto scams in requesting the IOSCO Multilateral Memorandum of Understanding on August 18. Cross-border partnershipSEC head Emilio B. Aquino lauded the US SEC, the ADB, and other participating organizations in the workshop. He hopes that the lessons learned will guide them as they protect the common people from traditional and evolving financial fraud schemes.Philippines and global crypto regulations. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.